Today we are going to practice counting numbers 1, 2 and 3. Can you think of activities you can do all by yourself? You can color a picture, read a book, or play games on the phone. Or maybe you can play with the blocks. How many dots do you see on this card? This is number 1. Hey, your friend Abbas is here too. What games can you play if you are in group of 2? You can play throw a ball and catch, car racing, or tic-tac-toe. How many dots do you see on this card? 1, 2. This is number 2. Saima is here too. What games can you play in group of 3? You can play skipping rope. How many dots do you see on this card? 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. Let's match the dot cards with the number cards. Look at this dot card. How many dots do you see? Let's count together. 1, 2. That's right. Let's join this number 2 with 2 dots. What about this one? In this card, there are 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. So number 3 for 3 dots. And 1 dot alone for number 1. Let's use fingers to represent the number. Here there are 2 dots. I am showing 2 fingers. Let's count. 1, 2. Here there is 1 dot. How many fingers do you see? That's right, 1 finger. Now how about these? These are 3 dots. Let's count the fingers that are shown here. 1, 2, 3 fingers. Great job.
Like, share and subscribe.